Hello, finally.
Finally! Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
And thank you so much for coming.
No, it's my pleasure. It's always my pleasure.
Finally,
Yeah.
and tell us what you are most excited about this whole event.
Okay, I always believe in network, and I think that is the most important thing for me because it's all about people and connections. I'm looking to extend my network and obviously learn a few things because it's always good to learn new aspects. So these are a few things I'm looking forward to, and obviously meeting you.
Thank you. That's the last. I'm so glad that you're here though.
Yeah.
And also, is this your first?
Well, first for SG, and this is the first time here in the
Yeah.
network, and I'm very excited to see how you're organizing it. So far, it's been brilliant.
Oh,
I'm
thank you.
very, very excited in the way you've organized. Very meticulous way of things have been done.
Oh,
Amazing.
thank you so much.
And
Yeah,
the constant communication is brilliant. It's totally brilliant.
Appreciate you because we do set up a lot of things behind the scenes,
Sure.
and sometimes people didn't pay attention.
Yeah, that's true. Don't worry about over communication. Is good. Over communication is good.
That's when it comes to the
Correct.
events
Yes,
and
exactly.
detail. You have
Correct.
to.
Totally, totally. Yeah.
You're amazing.
Yeah, looking
no,
forward
but
to it.
I'm gonna ask you more questions.
Sure,
but
sure.
I'm gonna catch you up.
Definitely.
All right?
Yeah.
Don't escape.
I want to.
I will see you.
Thanks. Thank
See
you.
you.